That's a lot of chocolate.
It's famous for a reason. I'm just gonna take this thing. Chantilly cream.
Crepe Carette.
Better than the crepes in Las Vegas?
Mm-hmm.
Way better. The ham and cheese eggs. Pretty high quality stuff. That hot chocolate and chantilly cream was rich, but it is really good. What do you think about Carette, honey?
Very, very sugary. Really good. I give it a 9 out of 10. More hot chocolate to go with all the whipped cream they was giving us. The hot chocolate was super thick, and it was super rich and amazing. A little bit can go a long way, so if you don't mind germs from somebody, you can share it.
Gross.
Really. The crepe was amazing. So
That was the hot chocolatiest hot chocolate I've ever hot chocolated. Seriously, that was thick with 4 C's. The eggs were just good. The crepe was actually really good, and the hot chocolate was the best hot chocolate I've ever had.
Yep. For sure.
8 out of 10 for me. Bree gives it a 9 out of 10. That was one of Bree's stops, so we made sure we came here. Bye.
Bye.